Kakalyo na kasi ito. Kakalyo naman.
Ano nga gawin dyan? Parang wala yung kalyo niya.
Ito lang din na nakakalyo mas as in kalyo.
Sakit na, ito eh.
Sa mga konsehan, barangay kapitan, tapos, hindi, nilalakad na nilang yun actually. I-check ko lang status ni Mang MJ. Nari-busy kasi talaga ako. And then, kasi nag-usap kami mga kakonseho ko kanina. Medyo, ayun, na-disorganize na ng konti. Pati yung private company, hindi ganun ka-web.
Sa workshop.
Okay.
Nung pa sa Spark, di ka sulit ako siya sa Spark.
Ano kasi ang partner sa QC yan kaya so, ayun. Then wag ka basta magpupunta ng tao pag hindi pag-indefinite ang punta. Masyado na kasi hindi.
She's writing about Lyle Menendez. Novelli, a former confidant of Lyle's, claims she talked with him extensively in jail for the
Sorry, recorded his phone calls.
He was my wife, being a substance amazing, but I feel.
Yeah.
My aunt told me today. She said, don't worry, honey. You're never going to scandalize the world.
Norma Novelli taped conversations with Lyle over a 2.5-year period. During that time, Lyle admitted he would be willing to lie to help his case when he felt he had to counter damaging testimony from psychologist Julie O'Zeel.
This guy's negative.